Good day, everyone. This is Bissy Beauty Palace. I brought you a nice wig that you just need water. Just water. Just water. Let's go. It's 100% human hair. Can you see how it looks? All you need is water. Just spray it with water. Wake up and you go. That's it. And this is fresh water, warm or cold, just that. Can you see? It's just water. You could wet it before you put it on your head, or you can put it on your head and wet it. It's up to you. Here we go. It's a full head wig. This is not lace wig. It's a full head lace wig. Here we go. Like I said, you might wet it while it's on your head. Or before you put it on your head. You don't need anything, just the water, plain water. We got it in different colors. And 100% human hair. You can wear it this way if you want. You can make your choice. There we go. And style it different ways, different styles. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Everybody have a look. Oh, it's good for your everyday wear. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Just water. Here we go. Ooh, look at the back. Please call us and get yours. 079 309 25949. 079 309 25949. Thank you, Bissy Beauty.